का वो है हु आर द टू पीपल टॉकिंग इन द पोएम। इस पोएम में बात करने वाले दो लोग कौन है? यू कैन रिप्लाई दिस क्वेश्चन, वन इज अ टीचर एंड अदर इज अ स्टूडेंट। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज ग्रैंडमा रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर हाउ? You can reply this question. She is responsible for not ironing Blanky Shop's PE kit. She hasn't ironed the kit because Blanky Shop says she had died. Question number third says that it's very upsetting. Who says this and why? कौन कहता है कि ये बहुत ही जैसे कि अपसेट करने वाली बात है और क्यों कहता है? You can reply this question. It is Blankin Shop who says this every time he remains absent from school. He says he couldn't come because of his grandmother's death. The teacher reminds him that it was the fourth time he was saying the same thing. It means he had four grandmothers and all had died on PE days. At this, Blanky Shop says that it was really very upsetting. Then question 4 says what happens on PE days and why? PE day पे है ना क्या होता है और क्यों होता है? You can reply this question. On every PE day, Blanky Shop remains absent from school. When the teacher asks him the reason, he makes up an excuse. He says he couldn't come because of his grandmother's death. For the fourth time, he makes up the same excuse. After that, question number 5 says, you were absent yesterday. What does Blanky Shop say in reply to this? He says this time he was absent because of his death, not because of his grandmother's death. He had to go to dentist and therefore couldn't come to school. Question number 6 says, what did Blankin Shop say when he was asked to line up for PE? He said he had not have with him the kit for PE. Question number 7. Blanky Shop says can't, sir. What does he means by can't? He means to say that he can't line up for PE since he doesn't have the kit with him. After that, question number 8, the last question says that what do you find funny about Blanky Shop excuse? जो Blanky Shop का excuse है ना, उसमें आपको फनी क्या दिखता है? हंसाने वाली कौन सी बातें हैं? You can reply this question. The excuses Blanky Shop makes up for being absent from school are all very funny. Mostly he makes up the excuse of his grandmother's death. He forgets he has already made this excuse when the teacher reminds him that it is the fourth time his grandmother is dead. Blanky Shop makes up another funny excuse. This funny chain of excuse goes on and on to the great enjoyment of the reader. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इसके बाद हम चलते हैं वर्ड पावर में। वर्ड पावर में जो हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो बोलता है फॉर इच वर्ड फाइंड फ्रॉम द बॉक्स 3 अदर वर्ड्स दैट मीन ऑलमोस्ट द सेम। तो इसमें हमें सेम मीनिंग वाले वर्ड को बॉक्स से खोज करके है ना लिखना है। फाउल्ट मीन्स होता है गलती। यू कैन राइट गिल्ट, एरर, डिफीट। फॉर डेड यू कैन राइट लाइफलेस, perished, deceased. For excuse, pretense, reason, pretext. For usually, habitually, often, ordinarily. For serious, earnest, grave or solemn. Okay, after that we are going to do the next question, and the next question is give one word for the following. दिए गए शब्दों के लिए एक वर्ड देना है। तो पहला है ए पर्सन हु रिपेयर शूज। तो जो जूते बनाता है ही इज कॉल्ड कोबलर। ए पर्सन हु कट्स अप एंड सेल्स मीट। जो मीट काट के बेचता है दैट इज कॉल्ड बच्चर। थर्ड, ए पर्सन हु टेक्स केयर ऑफ पीपल्स चिल्ड्रन। जो लोगों के दांतों का ध्यान रखते हैं, डेंटिस्ट। फोर्थ, ए डॉक्टर हूँ परफॉर्म्स ऑपरेशंस ऑन द ह्यूमन बॉडी, जो ह्यूमन बॉडी के ऑपरेशन करता है, सर्जन। ए पर्सन हुज जॉब इज टू रिपेयर मशीन, जो मशीन बनाता है वो मैकेनिक। Okay, after that we are going to the next question from grammar in use. From grammar in use you can say rewrite each sentence correctly. दिया गया सेंटेंस गलत लिखा हुआ है उसको सही लिखना है। तो पहला सेंटेंस वेयर इट इज, तो सही सेंटेंस हुआ वेयर इज इट। सेकेंड, व्हाट डिड सी डू, हु डज इट यूजुअली, हुज फॉल्ट इज इट देन, व्हाई कुडंट सी डू इट, what is it doing at home, what is the excuse this time, how many grandmothers do you have. Then after you can complete all the questions of this lesson this way. Okay everybody, then again we meet in next video. तब तक के लिए bye and take care.